Hi everyone and welcome back to Willie and Olya channel. I'm so happy you're here. You know what guys, I realized that you enjoy watching footage and beautiful videos from snowy Ohio. You enjoyed the views of the lakes, of the parks. Guess what? We got lots of snow overnight. Our cars covered in snow, so we're going to clean them. 18 degrees Fahrenheit outside, pretty chilly, but so beautiful. So let's get started with today's vlog.
Honestly, this has been a good winter. A lot of the winters in the past 5-ish years have been very kind to us. But this winter is, I mean, look around. It's thick, it's cold, it's windy. Yesterday, the snow would hit my neck and actually hurt, like little needles. They were like little ice cubes. Just so yes, that's the winter in Ohio.
This house where we live is actually a rental place. We rent this place, so we don't want to really invest into things like snowblower. So we do everything by hand. Like and subscribe for more crazy content. When I see this much of snow, it reminds me of my childhood. I remember when it was snow in Ukraine, the streets would be covered, and that same evening my dad would take slides and pull me around in our neighborhood, and we would just look at the houses. Everything would be so nicely decorated for Christmas, because that's when it should snow, around Christmas and New Year's. Yeah, such cool memories. Car is almost done. Whew, the best workout for sure. Last time I was at the post office, I pointed out the building and I wasn't sure what was it, to what my father said, "Dear daughter, you can't do that. You have to be knowledgeable if you present something to your viewers." So I looked it up and it is Court Building in Springfield, Ohio.